Hello friends, I'm Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to see English workshop as well as margin questions from one of the informative topic, and that is World Heritage. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. The name of the topic is World Heritage. Let's see warming up activities. Question: prepare a travel brochure or leaflet of your native place or any town or historical place or hill station to attract tourists using the points given on textbook page 74. पाठ्यपुस्तक पृष्ठ क्रमांक 74 वर दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांच्या आधारे पर्यटकांना आकर्षित करण्याकरिता तुमच्या मूळ गावाचे ठिकाण अथवा कोणतेही शहर अथवा पर्यटन स्थळ याविषयी एक पर्यटन माहिती पत्रक तयार करा. Points are given on screen. Please watch it. Answer. The title of leaflet is Tourist Place Kolhapur. Point: how to reach there? Nearest railway station Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Terminus, Kolhapur. Nearest airport Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj Airport, Kolhapur Domestic Airport. Nearest bus stand ST stand, Kolhapur. Local transport is available. Next point: top 5 spots to visit. Mahalakshmi Temple, Pannala Fort, Rankala Lake, Maharaja Palace, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Museum, Gandharva Resort and Amusement Park. Next point: special features of these spots. 1. Mahalakshmi Temple, holy seat of Amba Mata. Next, Rankala Lake, famous for its beauty. Next, Maharaja Palace, magnificent structure of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj's palace, Indo-British architecture. Next, Maharaj Museum, great collection of historical period. Next, Gandharva Resort and Amusement Park, pleasant and attractive, beautiful site with amusing games. Next point: mouth-watering or special cuisines, delightful tasty non-veg food, पांढरा रस्सा, तांबडा रस्सा, कोल्हापूर मिसळ, भेळ, मोहक लस्सी, दवणगिरी डोसा, etc. Next point: other nearby sightseeing spots. Pannala Fort, Kaneri Mata, Kaneri Mutt, Mahabaleshwar, Radhanagari Wildlife Sanctuary. For further details, contact Vikas Tourist and Travels. Mobile is given. Email vikas@mail.com. Let's see margin questions of this topic. Question: what is a World Heritage Site? What significant aspects should a World Heritage Site have? Means जागतिक वारसा स्थळ म्हणजे काय? जागतिक वारसा करिता कोणती महत्त्वाची स्थिती आवश्यक असावी लागतात? Answer: World Heritage Site is a site established by UNESCO to have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity These places should have significant cultural and natural heritage, including forests, lakes, monuments, buildings, and cities. Next question. What do World Heritage Sites include? Answer. The World Heritage Sites includes cultural and natural areas. Next question. Why did UNESCO launch an international campaign in 1959? 1959 साली युनेस्कोने आंतरराष्ट्रीय मोहीम का सुरू केली? Answer. Egypt started plans to build the Aswan High Dam to collect and control water from the Nile River. The dam's construction would have flooded the Nile Valley containing the Abu Simbel temples and many of ancient Egyptian artifacts. To protect the temples and the artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign in 1959. Next question. Why did a White House conference in the United States call for a World Heritage Trust? अर्थात अमेरिकेच्या व्हाईट हाऊस परिषदेने जागतिक वारसा विश्वस्त निर्माण करण्याकरिता का आमंत्रण केले? Answer. A White House conference in the United States called for World Heritage Trust to protect historic cultural sites and also for protecting the world's significant natural and scenic sites. Next question. What does the World Heritage Committee consist of? Answer. The World Heritage Committee consists of representatives from 21 state parties. Next question. What is the World Heritage Committee responsible for? Answer. Today, the World Heritage Committee is the main group responsible for establishing which sites will be listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next question. Who makes recommendation to the World Heritage Committee? Answer. Two advisory bodies make recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. Next question. What is the Peru's Machu Picchu example of? Answer. Peru's Machu Picchu is one of the mixed World Heritage Sites. Let's see English workshop of this lesson. Question. Write the importance of the years given below with refer to World Heritage Sites. Answers are directly given. Year 1959. Importance. UNESCO launched an international campaign to protect temples and artifacts. Year 1965. Importance. White House conference in United States called for a World Heritage Trust. Year 1968. Importance. The International Union for Conservation of Nature similar goals and presented them at the United Nations Conference on Human Environment. Year 1972. Importance. The Convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage was adopted by UNESCO's General Conference. Year 2009. Importance. 890 World Heritage Sites were located in 148 countries. Next question. Complete the following sentences or name the following. 1. Answers are directly given. A. The World Heritage Sites includes cultural and natural areas. Next, a draft convention was started for creating an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. Next question. Name the following. A. The country where the Mount Huangshan is situated in. Answer: China. B. The famous dam in Egypt on river Nile. Answer: Aswan High Dam. Next, the International World Heritage Program is administered by. Answer: the UNESCO World Heritage Committee. Next, the Nile Valley contains many ancient artifacts. Answer: Egyptian. Next, the place where the conference based on human environment was held. Answer: Stockholm, Sweden. Next, state parties are elected by the. Answer: World Heritage Center's General Assembly. Next question. Complete the following web by giving reasons why World Heritage Sites are in danger. Answer: World Heritage Sites are in danger. 1. Uncontrolled urbanization. Next, natural disasters. Next, heavy tourist traffic. Next, human encroachment. Next, acid rain. Next, pollution. Next, war. Next, poaching. Next question. Answer in your own words. Question. What are our duties towards preservation of any historical sites? कोणतेही ऐतिहासिक स्थळ जतन करण्याबाबत आपली कोणती कर्तव्ये आहेत? Answer. Historical sites like forts, monuments, palaces, etc. are our national heritage. They have stood all the vagaries of time and weather and are on the verge of losing their splendor. It is our duty to preserve them carefully. When you visit these places, don't spoil their beauty and grandeur by scratching, writing, carving names and making them look ugly and dirty. We must renovate them with the help of the residents in the area or NGOs. We should pursue and insist the government to take complete responsibility of preserving them as their foremost duty. Next question. Why do you think should we preserve the World Heritage Site? जागतिक वारसा स्थळे आपण का जतन करून ठेवावीत असे तुम्हाला वाटते? Answer. Our ancestors all over the world have bestowed upon us the spectacular, wonderful monuments, structures and sculptures, etc. They are the wonders of arts and architecture. The whole world feels proud of these ancestral treasures. They remind us of the past glory, art, culture, and great glorious memorials. They will continue to inspire us and give people knowledge of patience and prolonged human endures such as the Taj Mahal, Ajanta caves, pyramids, China's Great Wall, and many other majestic structures. So, we must preserve them with utmost care. Next question. What is the role of the World Heritage Sites in promoting tourism in any country? कोणत्याही देशात पर्यटन व्यवसाय वाढवण्यास जागतिक वारसा स्थळे या संघटनेची कोणती भूमिका आहे? Answer. The World Heritage Sites plays a very important role in promoting tourism in countries like India. The organization is responsible with the country's contribution for preserving the site and, if required, restore it, providing funds. If the sites retain its original grandeur, splendor, and beauty, flocks of passionate tourists from all over the world are sure to visit the site. Naturally, tourism of the site will flourish and it also will provide employment. Next question. Read the following duties towards preservation of any historical site and make sentences about each of our duties. Answers are directly given. 1. Obey rule and regulations. Answer. Visitors must obey the rules and regulations displayed at the entrance. Next, maintain discipline and order. All visitors must maintain discipline and order in place. Next, maintain cleanliness. They should maintain cleanliness in the area. Next, use dustbin and garbage bags. They must use dustbin and garbage bags for throwing leftovers. Next, observe silence. Visitors must observe complete silence at the site. Next, maintain environmental safety. They should maintain environment safety for their own safety. And next, protect our country's history, heritage. It is our duty to protect our country's historical heritage. Next question. Complete the following flow chart by choosing from the options given below to show how any site of any country can become a World Heritage Site. एखाद्या देशाचे एखादे स्थळ जागतिक वारसा स्थळ कसे बनू शकते हे दर्शविणाऱ्या पुढे दिलेल्या पर्यायातून निवडून पुढील तक्ता पूर्ण करा. Answer. 1. Inclusion of the name of the site for the nomination in a tentative list after an inventory in the country or the state. 2. Inclusion of the names of a site from the tentative list to the nomination file. Next, 3. A review of the file included by the advisory bodies. Next, 4. Decision of the World Heritage Committee after review of the nominated file. Next, 5th. Name of the site is inscribed on the World Heritage list after meeting the criteria. Next question. Match the pairs of to define different roles of the World Heritage Sites. Answer. 1. Identify cultural and natural sites. Answer: of outstanding universal value across countries. 2. Identify sites of answer special importance for everyone. 3. Identify sites that represent answer best examples of world's cultural and natural heritage. 4. UNESCO seek to answer preserve outstanding sites and natural resources. 5. World Heritage Sites should have answer relevant development plan policies. 6. World Heritage Sites should answer protect these sites. 7. World Heritage Sites serve as answer an asset for economic development and investment. 8. World Heritage Site should ensure answer green, local based, stable and decent job. 9. It should at large develop answer tourism. Next question. What is the difference between the words world heritage and cultural heritage? वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज आणि कल्चरल हेरिटेज या शब्दामध्ये कोणता फरक आहे? आन्सर: द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज इज रिलेटेड विथ द नॅचरल or man-made places that are recognized as having international importance, cultural values of the world and humanity in general. Whereas cultural heritage is related with a particular society or groups, its ideas, customs, beliefs, art and literature, etc. that have existed and inherited from past generation, maintained in the present and preserved for the benefits of future generation. Question related to the writing skill. Following are the ways to preserve World Heritage Site. Transfer these points into a small paragraph. Suggest a suitable title. And points are: practical conservation of posterity. Next, human or animal trespassing. Next, unmonitored or uncontrolled or unrestricted access. Next point, threat of local administrative negligence. Answer: title is Preserving World Heritage Sites for Future Generation. Let us be sensible and practical to preserve our World Heritage Sites for future generations. It depends on well organized and well managed plan. The plan should be skillfully monitored and implemented to the details. It is the responsibility of the country where it is situated. So, it is our national duty to protect or restore the heritage sites. To maintain the original natural characteristics of the site, we must take utmost care and prevent them from being lost, damaged, or destroyed. We must use funds and resources allocated by our state and the World Heritage Fund for mending and repairing work. Many a times, human and animal trespassing damage, deface and make them ugly and insecure. Their activities and disturbances should be controlled and restricted to retain their natural beauty and grandeur. Building structures, historical monuments, and natural beauty should be taken care of. In many cases, the local administrators are lethargic and they are responsible for the damages. The administrative apathy and negligence are the threats to our heritage sites. Strict actions should be taken against them for their neglect to protect the sites. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Thank you very much.